Hi guys, this is Keerti, a biomedical engineer. Today, let's understand one of the most important setups in modern hospital, that is the Cath Lab. A Cath Lab or a cardiac catheterization laboratory is a specialized room where doctors diagnose and treat heart problems using a minimally invasive procedures. Before getting into a full video, please subscribe to our channel Mr. Biomedical and press the bell icon so that you will not miss our upcoming videos. Instead of open heart surgery, doctors can access the heart or blood vessels using a thin tubes called catheters. Now imagine entering a cath lab. At the center, you will see a patient lying on a procedure table. Above and around the patient, there is a large machine called C-arm. See in that image, there is a C-shaped machine. No, yeah, that is called C-arm. This is an X-ray imaging system that can move around the patient and capture the real-time images from the different angles. Next to it, you will see multiple monitors displaying vital informations like ECG, blood pressure and oxygen levels. You can see there, no? Yeah, monitors around the CM. This helps doctors to continuously track the patient's condition during the procedure. Now let's see how typically procedure works. Okay. First, the doctor inserts a catheter into a blood vessel, usually through a wrist or a thigh. The catheter is then carefully guided through blood vessels towards the heart. So, here how it will look like catheter, no, how it will look, you can see in upcoming images. To make the blood vessels visible, a special contrast dye is injected through a catheter. As the dye flows through the coronary arteries, the X-ray system captures the live images. You can see the live images in the image, allowing doctors to clearly see any blockages. This process is called angiography. You might have heard this word angiography many times. If any of your family member, friends would have faced any heart problem, they would have said, we have undergone an angiography. See, in which they are inserting catheter. This is what I said. Now, if they found a blockage, treatment can be done immediately. Immediately they'll do treatment in that same table itself. This is called angioplasty. Angiography is identifying the block. Angioplasty is the treatment. Okay. So what will they do in angioplasty? See this image. Like this only they inserted catheter from the wrist will go into the blood vessels. Okay. What is angioplasty now? A small balloon, okay, attached to a catheter is positioned at the blocked area. If there is any, they found a block, okay, what they'll do, no, they'll insert a catheter with a balloon which is attached to a catheter. It is positioned at the area of the blockage and then inflated. What they'll do, they'll inflate. If they inflate, what will happen? This opens the narrowed artery. The artery would be narrow, no. By this time, the narrowed artery will open up. In many cases, a small mesh tube called a stent is placed to keep the artery open. So, the stent is placed. The image you can see in upcoming slides, okay. The image of a stent and all you can see. Once the blood flow is restored, they have seen that blood is flowing properly without any blockage. What they will do now is they'll remove the catheter. They've inserted no catheter through veins. They'll they'll remove it and the procedure is completed. Throughout this process, safety is very important. Okay, doctors, staffs, everyone wear a lead apron. Why? To reduce radiation exposure. The room is also maintained. See how in this image how the room is maintained. So you can also see how the room is maintained in this image itself. Very clean, very sterile environment. So how the blood vessels will look if there is a blockages like this. At the side there will be fats accumulated. Okay. So the blood vessels is narrowed. What we will do? We have to inflate this blood vessel. So that is the procedure we are doing here. The entire procedure is carefully monitored using an advanced equipment. See, this is the balloon which I said, and this is the mesh. Okay, so what makes a cath lab so powerful is it allows both diagnosis and treatment in the same place. So during a angiography, if they diagnose there is a block, immediately what will they do? They'll do angioplasty and remove that block, make the blood vessels like open up so the blood will flow properly. It is a minimally invasive, which means there will be less pain because only a catheter they will insert through your vein, right? No much pain, faster recovery, and lower the risk of traditional surgery. Traditional surgery is that I think it's a open heart surgery. And most importantly, it helps save lives in a critical situations like heart attack. To summarize what and all I said is, a cath lab is a highly advanced medical setup that uses imaging technology and catheters to diagnose the heart conditions in a safe and efficient way. Understanding this system is essential for biomedical engineering and the medical students, and for common peoples also. They can know what is angiography, what is angioplasty and all. Because behind every successful procedure, there is a combination of technical, technology, precision is important, and a clinical expertise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, and please comment down at what topic you need us to teach next or what topic you need to learn next.